So my people, as we know by now, Vybz Kartel lose to Bob Marley. And when me see the person who go collect that Grammy there, me know say Vybz Kartel never have a chance. And then, on top of a successful movie, you don't know that's a soundtrack for a movie. And what make it even worse, my people? Not one of Bob Marley's son them not gonna collect the Grammy. That was a white man from a record label. So you know say that did done set say Bob Marley are gonna win it. Anyway, we have next year, the year after, or whenever we get it. That no major success. Just like the King title, it no value nothing. You see me I say the Grammy don't value nothing. It's just a title. And the people them done crown the man king already, so we now run down kingship. And the next thing, like if we don't get the Grammy, that's nothing, cause we don't see say boy Grammy a politics thing. And when it come to like Bob Marley, them are go always give him over most people, especially a soundtrack of a successful movie. You don't know say I'm gonna get the Grammy for that. Right? And plus it's a record label behind the whole thing. So them know what to do, and on a level we not go hide it. Bob Marley bigger than Vybz Kartel, and more people like we buy music support Bob Marley more than Vybz Kartel. You understand what I say? So me just want to talk about the Cenat interaction with Vybz Kartel. That was golden, my people. You know what I mean? For see say not the bigger set of media people them, but the young youth them, where do the thing where the leader of the new school you know, I recognize Vybz Kartel and his music and I highlight him in America. That's a big, you know what I mean? That's a big deal. You see me I say? And for him approach Vybz Kartel like that as a fan. You understand me? That's a big thing. You see me I say DJ Academics as a Jamaican still, you know what I mean, represent Cenat as a Caribbean appearance. I think one are from Trinidad and one are from, I remember the next island. Seeing for him do that for Vybz Kartel on the red carpet, that's a big deal. And plus Vybz Kartel will link up with all of the top artists them yet, and we are going to see him link up with a few before him reach back a yard. Plus me know say them are going to keep a big show in New York, and my father are going to do it. That's going to be one of the biggest thing. You understand? A lot of celebrity are going to show up there, so you see me? So more want to tell more to think about him losing to Bob Marley, my people. I'm going to show you the clip with him.
Wow, boss! Mama, you look good in my youth! Respect. Bro, yo, no, you don't understand. Yo, bro, Vybz Kartel. Yeah. Let me sit here right in front of you and give you your flowers, bro. Welcome back home, bro. Welcome, bro. I know you're having an amazing time right now.
Of course, 13 years in prison, and I come out and I'm in America 6 months later.
Bro, do you know I literally learned to whine to your songs like this in the backyard party, whine up.
Bob,
bro,
love that.
No cap, bro. I love Jamaica so much, bro.
I know that. You were there the other day.
Yes, bro. We have to go to Jamaica together soon.
Hell yeah.
Bro.
Where's your Asian friend?
Ray?
Yeah.
Ray right now, he want to go to the military.
Oh.
Yeah.
Suck your mother down here. Suck your mother candy.
with the President, Mr. Donald J. Blood, the most honorable pass, and no blood, no abortion, and a 50 that's where one time up to put head like money. Move up your school.
You know, sister, that's why girl belly big size call it. What's a belly big?
From the home to the tomb, no left them then I'm Mr. Medaris must go below.
Look, you know, sister, I call him because a belly big. I call him. I breed it, it's calling me a rosealee belly, I breed.
Skull in a belly. Have problem with me like I'm making a girlfriend. Me say blind for April come when you girlfriend, cause me know you put a plane upon
a tree. No problem of plane and tear down.
Me know so you put a plane upon a tree nice kind of.
Look here now. Rosealee have to go pay for about 5 seats.
Me say me stretch
5 seats.
Me say me sorry me can't go argue with him. Me sorry me can't turn on my life. I go rock me right. We are two nurse bro and me people them encourage me. Say me then $5, then $10, then $3. Say taking me no greatness in you. Go on ahead. Go look greatness ahead. Cause you fight a good fight and the things them I know you have ambition. I know them have them me people them fight with me. I know I put them to shame. Cause I turn a lot of work Rosealee. Cause first thing me would do good on a teleco. I don't have a lot go buy a big shirt and a duct tape. I tape up a so big blanket when me sleep with a at night time. I tape up myself I walk barefoot in a blood and New York. I say not see. I video that blood little blood record TikTok don't no blood could win me no blood. A big jazz no lot I tie up over my head. Girl me say must glad that nurse round. I me put so dolly round me no blood. Me nice a cry no blood. Like I want them or your yam. Your pussy little full of head like money. Your yam picking no blood supper. Your girl when you're picking your wipe your mouth I don't like come and fall. Yeah, tell me say me must buy clothes the world know me naked long time me naked like back without nable. You must go buy clothes to Tampa Jakes. Me see Jakes at the rebel party and me see things say Jakes if I can't man them don't turn no blood. Me see Jakes. He pants are no blood stand up like a camel in a party. He pants are spin par Jakes no blood still me say Destiny Jakes in a pants so look like a whole day will on him. All the class of Jakes Savan fat like in the injection and you walk out argue with me put up Jakes face full of access no blood access out of Jakes face. I go best your girl now have no window in your house or your bed the par black. Me say Rosealee must clot nurse born and the people them stinking ugly.
That's why she had so. But the woman does have bone up, so the woman does have ball and drop down somebody pan wall, pull the window. And she not the window, you know. Me say that's why a woman hot, so she ever drop down, she hot.
Mr. Destiny, tranquility, and Mr. Madden can't book Rosealee if he buried it in him. Cause paid up he buried in Rosealee, skull full up him. If Rosealee shake 2 times, Rosealee walk with her foot a jump out time. Rosealee walk with her foot a jump out of your bowl, Rosealee. Go wash your creases. If you lift up your belly, no blood and night. Cockroach make this under your breast stinking, girl. Move your back chat to me stink. Hey, girl, I would have fixed up right. That's how you see. Girl, we can back to your front or belly your back. Girl, we God make without no neck. Your blood clot face.
Tiki.
Me see a chubby.
Tiki, hold on, let me tell you something. God dig, when Rosealee did small, Rosealee did big. She did fat and chubby, but she never have so fat. And she go underneath the table and dash over the whole shape and all. That's why she looks so today, yeah.
That's why she looks so. Rosealee, remind me of the man from the chubby back in the below. It's me, Teddy Tubby, a blotting. Rosealee, remind me of the man from the chubby. Rosealee, you're fit for go up a blend, you go fat pallet.
Lord God!
You go back pallet back to your front of belly a walk. Mother give you a helmet or a construction in vest. I make you go up the and she go pack pallet or go down a walk, go direct container, big stinking girl. You can't believe me. Walking cemetery attacking dead. You like you don't remember who you attacked to Rosealee. Rosealee remember pool party you keep under your foot. You don't remember who you attacked to Rosealee. Remember magic in your mouth a preach or Friday pa your lip around taxi. Remember good Rosealee. Any coach you sit down pan and get up no below try keep convention in other blood. Then make we talk about the Rosealee. Make we talk about it. Yeah, girl, when you go with vinegar before you go fish with bugger lime. Me say Rosa just to me people them me can't argue with your girl. Come back to the you know. Me say me dying for you go England April because me know you put a plane up on a 316 at the sky.
Oh, me know you put a plane. They go crash. It go crash. Me just pray so many people not go on the plane because it go crash. It definitely go down in the water.
Which plane go crash then who could have put Rosealee on a plane for go England? A banana boat
but me I tell you say the plane look here, Tiki.
I love to crash because she not up on it.
Tiki, listen what me I say. Listen what me I say. May I make sure tell the pilot to remove all passengers from the plane, remove the suitcase and put Rosealee at A seat. Number 1.
and turn on the engine and leave the plane in the air alone with her in there.
No, road destiny,
So
you're wrong.
none of my people them not dead in a dance.
No, you're wrong. Stop it. No, I know say it. Them have put a rosalee in our banana boat that I tie a crane panny and walk come along and whine it till it jam up.
Oh, she can't go from back.
So this is one you know we team up with Destiny and I bring down Rosealee. Him just get released in America, you know. And before this youth go try to sort out himself the best way possible can because he have a lot to sort out. And Rosealee the man come across. Boy, me I tell you to, yo, them TikToker them no seem to amaze me with people. You see me I say, me don't know what Rosealee say about him still, but being that him go through where him go through, you see me I say, and reaching America, and that the same thing the way him left Jamaica and pan, him gone back in, and him have him, boy, me I tell you, say them don't know them priority, me not lie. You see me, but I guess them do it to make money on TikTok still, but you see me, come on man, not so early, not so quick. John no star, so make me know what you think, me people. I go watch some more.
About your 1 2 months, Rosealee, she nurse one by the live. You want she sing?
She can't wash her creases.
She can't go from boat, she go sing. Remember she fat, she
I wash her
sing.
creases.
She go drown.
And she love caucus people picking and her picking them favor blood that man them downtown. Where black her favor say they walk around at the mechanic place and do blood chick, the mechanic work favor in then show engine oil party. Me say I just show me no do kids are blood. That girl I must glad me a change, you know. I just show me say me reach America no blood to them fight hard with me no blood. And me people them me I do this sign one not even me no. I have to make Nurse Brown proud of me no blood. Nurse Brown for oh and make me I do something me not turn on me life. Oh that blood care, you know. Hey, girl, you must sorry no blame Jamaica.
Oh, make him leave the kids them alone. Rosealee pin them one Camille porridge. Come after this, you can tell me something. She never learn, she need to go learn to go cook and boil some porridge, we pick them.
I come in and discriminate and pick them and go back.
If I live every day about more rice. So all the pot butter no man sit down and eat all the crepe. Rosealee kill this and dirty.
Me say I just show me now do kids. Cause if me not do kids the right way, you see me class in pick them. I just show me say me not do me not go kids, but me a class them woman your man them. Me not even a class now no. Cause me not even a course, me just attack. You come and go like a portion of girl we hand a foot a jump out of you.
You stick yourself, girl, deal with the mama. Pick up your hands.
God.
Oh my God, me shame. Me could talk to my mother so. Move your hands, no. Move that no. Me say and that people really support you. Want say girl angle and mother. Me say, oh my God, me say I want to drop out of me eye. All you man say, you man say Rosealee, me don't know what it is.
Listen me give mama give $5,000 on a video call how me sing Hangle mama you see 2 days after me sing tell him man to take out $10,000 go on a road cause he can't take the argument. Rosealee cheat little girl up and
woman say but Rosealee no wrong with this so woman call like a poor thing. I beg her and she a bring the woman.
Me call Rosealee you see Rosealee sitting at the house and me say Rose.
I must nurse bone that take 3 seconds. I tell you say nurse bone upon the life boy you dey so. Me say what yeah the woman no you man say Rose but me no see it. And the party come that.
Later me so sir me call.
Alright later nurse bone no.
Me call.
Nurse bone no.
Me call Destiny.
Alright yeah later. Me tell him say nurse bone upon the life me should lock him out. All me I tell you say me say nurse brown. Big stinking dirty Rosealee want come talk about me. Big dirty at Rosealee. We walk with Pierce. When Rosealee got duff cat, the baby duppy them say, Mommy, from you dash me away, you didn't give me any breast milk. Mommy, you wicked. Pure belly you dash way. Pure blood clot belly you dash way. Pure baby duppy you walk on yam. First and foremost, when Jacob blood clot you. When Jacob lift up your belly and tie up on the blood clot belly and tie your foot up. Tie your foot on your hand and tie up your belly and tie up your blood clot back and then push it back. First and foremost, in your belly down. So Rosealee, if you talk about me, Rosealee me can just bend over so. So me can bend over Rosealee. Look. So, look. And me can wine pan body. Look Rosealee. Me can wine pan body Rosealee. Look. See there? Me can wine pan body your heart for wine. You can't wine pan body your blood clots. Rosealee, you can't do this, Rosealee. Me can wine pan belly. Me can go hard position, Rosealee. Every type of blood clot position, you can't do that. You have to just lie down, so Rosealee. I saw you lie down. I saw you take fucking, I saw you lie down. Look. This is how you say fuck. I saw you lie down. And Jake tie up your belly so. Jake tie up your belly to the bed. Tie your hand and your foot. I see you lie down. Move your dirty blood clot, my mag and flexible. Where? Move up.
This shit. Hello? You never speaker. Me ask you something. Please don't hang up my sister. When me there Jamaica, me can't talk to my mother like class or them somebody and bring her down. When me there Jamaica, me can't talk to my mother like class or bring her down and do the things them to her.
No.
Where that reach me?
You talk the computer. Stop. Don't stop.
Talk no, call me a talk about Rosealee. We are dealing with her mother like a dog. Where that reach me? Okay. I'm out to come that no move that now. I do that like a shit. And she me a talk to. She saw me the pan the live, me the pan me destiny standalone page. So come pan it. Come watch. Alright, yeah. And my sister this real mother said father. Me could said mother said father. Me could talk to my mother so me mouth lick out. My teeth lick out. You want you should deal with her mother pan the live, me shame. First thing. If my mother, first and foremost, even me there Florida, me and my mother in that was me could talk to me go to my friend and me go buy some clothes. And my mother asked me, me and tell my mother asked me how we get them from. I say my friend came and asked me, and my mother depend, and me could even say blood clot, cause one thump and come with a blood clot get. Rosealee talk to your mother like a dog. You saw Rosealee daughter them talk to her, you saw Rosealee daughter talk to her. I saw Rosealee talk to her pitty. That's what I made them say. They might talk about on TikTok and I comment. Why Rosealee pinny them talk to her so? I saw she talk to the blood clot pinny them so the pinny them talk to her like a dog. You saw she deal with her pinny them? Or she talk to them like any blood clot dog? So them go talk to them like a dog too. You saw she treat her mother? I saw her pinny them and go treat her blood clots. And she not treat the pinny them good. Cause if she say her mother treat her bad, you supposed to treat your kids them good. You see, just like how she treat her mama bad, I saw the pinny them and go treat her like a dog, no blood clots. The pinny them all me know the pinny them good and laugh off. If them look at my memory just big and fat and ugly, me know your pinny them and laugh off you and mock your blood clot. Come here, pinny say, Mommy, how daddy lift you up? Daddy must a Superman. That means them a mock your blood clots. Them a mock you. They just blood clot, bad mind and jealous. Me not trouble her, you know. Honestly say, me not trouble her, you know. What me want to know is, me and Team Destiny help Tiki to a different destination, right? So, why everybody attack me? Big one attack me. Rosealee attack me. Everybody attack me. What I did? What do I did? Did I did something wrong? More than go on Tiki life, go beg money for him, for them put him cross the blood clot border? Do I do something wrong? Did I did something wrong? I don't did nothing wrong. I went on Tiki life and asked my Team Destiny to support him, to put him cross the next destination. That's all I did. I did not do nothing wrong. But me tell us something too. Tiki are germs. I should help him. You know why Tiki are germs? You just come out of detention. When you are class with Rosealee, you know make it go on. You know so America run. You just come out of blood clot detention. Why you in an argument with Rosealee? You're not even supposed to live on the blood clot media. You're supposed to get the media. You're supposed to dog low. Pan the blood clot media. Because if you say I'm court case in a 2 month or 1 month, you're fucking lucky because the bitch them like big one them come across long time. Them not lucky. Because no them can't get a blood clot court case. So when you argue with blood clot Rosealee, you don't lock your blood clot mouth. Because me have to talk with facts though.
People, want to see that example here of all these people are hypocritical. Remember, you know, the same person, Destiny did up on live a while ago, you know, of course, Rosealee, you know, but this was a live before that one me share we don't know just now, you know, we might call the same person hypocritical, you know. Say person a hypocrite, you know, right? So this person yeah, before Destiny tell him say him not supposed to cuss nobody at all because him just reach and him have a case. Seeing low certain things where you used to do at Jamaica now. You're at a different place, you want to turn over a new page, you understand? And have some, you know what I mean, some decency about yourself. You're in a different country. But you carry same dirty old style. Go over there, so.
You know, let me show you how thick you're hypocrite now. Oh, yeah, cause Rosalie and cause Ivany. Oh, yeah, cause Rosalie and you now cause mother. Come here, talk now, me have a bust blood clot, but if you can have germs too. Oh, yeah, class Rosalie and you now class mother. And you now class Ivany. And you tell me on the blood clot phone. When me there, you tell me on the phone me there Paris say, Ivany, I got blood clot help you arrest funding for you. And that your blood clot tell me. And you say me nothing go pan like go talk. Kind of want Ivan nobody help you. I say she not help you a blood clot. And Ivany never help you. She never did. Ivany never did. And your Ivany a friend. Mother never did. And your mother a friend. So why the hell you don't cuss them? Where Rosalie ya cuss me, Rosalie ya come cuss me. Mother rate you slow man. Why a Rosalie ya cuss Rosalie come class blood clot me? Why I know me no you're a class mother I know. Can you go for mother like be a big mother money and she say she not give you dollar blood clot. After when him blood clot come out, she buy him ticket out her pocket. She buy him ticket out her pocket. Look what that man here say, yeah, man. Me a talk about after. Me a talk about before. Me not talk about after. Me a talk about before. Me a talk about blood clot before. You never did hear she said the 19th of January, the 17th of January she go help him. She did help him. You just come out of detention and you argue with blood clot. People should you not even in asylum. You feel big to man. And you see how the blood clot country when I see how them ice clean up the people them and you just come out of detention. And you have blood clot out arrest by your foot. You have blood clot out arrest by your bumbo clot foot. You feel bill. Hey, me know why you about stinking pussy Ivany. Don't call him the girl name over. Yes, sir. Because when Tiki did for live a ball, you didn't see none of them help him. When he were on live, and he might cry self stuck a Mexico, and he said, whoa, I mean don't know the language. None of them did help him. Me ask if none of them did help him. Did none of them help him? Did any one of them help him? No, me, it was enough blood clot one to go over the life to help him. None of them did help him. I'm the pan no man. Them two wicked man. You know why me blood clot help him? Cause me know say which part him there. They will chop up him blood clot. The cartel over there will chop him up. You know see you don't know if he spell. You're supposed to say cuss and spell the wrong way, bitch. Go back in your dictionary, you two dunce. Me I know dunce girl now go argue on TikTok. Unless you find a Jamal. Find a Jamal and come back. You see like how you don't say now, you spend around 5 in a Jamal and you know come back, come argue with me. So come back 2010. But go in a Jamal from now and come back 2010. At 2010? Yes. 2010. Me know never 2010, but I saw so. No one. Come here, say, you see over there, so the cartel will beat you. My mouth supposed to lean. Me want if it lean. It is my mouth. Carry man cocky come and me show me deal with it. Me more lean a man kiss me, I love it. No man a kiss you. But destiny you can't spell either. How do I? But you can't spell either destiny. How do I spell that word that you type? But look, but you can't spell either destiny. How do I spell that word? What you type? The moderator is very slow. I'm gonna move her. I'm gonna take her off and move her and block her just for this fight. So moderator, open a fake page. How do I read what you? How do I read what you type? Like how you say me can't read. Or me read what you type. And that me ask you. Truly and truly that mean that you can't read. Can you say me can't read but me read what you type? So me don't know everybody a come out for me for. And you know what they say all who you come out for me.
Okay then. Yeah, and that destiny if you tell him say fi bill. You see me I say? Because him just reach a road. See, and plus them have on the house arresting pan him foot. Yo, that means say them a deal with them thing expeditiously, you know, because you have enough people like Destiny say big one them and enough of them we did a long time and them no get a date. Him get a date and plus them put the thing on him foot, so that means say them now go make them in the country and roam around like the rest of them will come before him. Them a make sure deal with them thing and send them back at them yard or free them up in the place. Or maybe them we take off the house arresting off him foot, but them just want to know where him they right now. That means say if them want him, them just take him and fling him back at Jamaica, right? And if them do not no crime or anything like that, you see me I say them can find them easily because them know what them a do to survive in the country. And maybe them tell him say don't go certain places so them can track him every movement and know if him a go out of the zone where them say him to stay in. So him dep online of course you know that no good for him. Them no understand themselves, them things say them make you or them reach and them no win them thing. You understand? So make watch some more, my people.
Me in a better position than them. Wanna overeat. Chaos argument. That's what I mean. Chaos no argument. Every day in a chaos with a chaos argument. That's what you mean.
What you say she put herself by Destiny? How you doing? You're good?
Check him, man. Hold on. Alright, yeah. Yeah, because I don't want the time to pass. I have to go do my ear, so yeah. Alright, what you say now?
No, that's all. May I watch you on my backup page?
Okay, no one, because your backup page soon get blocked.
I don't comment on it, so...
You comment, Panny?
No. You blocked the other one I had.
Okay, that mean you full of page. I same thing. You have to talk out of my mouth because I don't trouble them people. I don't know what they want with me, no. Me say the woman me dey on me live the day. Me don't know if they panny. I watch with your backup page. I know man send request to start class me. I mean that sorry no. I mean you share class me for.
I don't think I saw it, but anyway.
No, cause this is just a catch up. Remember, say me have to put on my blind a good day. Me have to pan. Remember that time about choose time. Me go choose one most expensive. I really want to choose an expensive work. I give me my money. I mean, I go pan date with man. I could have eat me and go eat him. I give me my money straight away.
You go tonight?
Yeah, me I go pan date.
Alright, enjoy yourself. I will be in the comments.
Yeah, I mean, we don't make up a natural face. Cause no man now come tell me say when them see me don't make up, then them tell me say if somebody favor wrong turn, so me have to wear my natural beauty.
Oh God. Me like comments, babes.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
So I have to go to my natural beauty. Remember, me no like blood, man. And if you see all of them will come for me in a better position than them, you know. Alright. Barbz, Emily, Rosealee, Candy. Oh my God. Right now, Candy soon gonna jail. Cause Candy still in a tangles with local boy wearing grape. Nina wearing grape. And look boy when look boy when up analyze in teeth look in teeth look boy phone as look boy. In a blood clot 2006 that if you go repent for that science also. Anything you do in your life, you know, it tell you, you know, how you could have all look out go calm and go lick down your blood clot. Me say you could have all look more anything you do in your life, it go lick you. That's why they say do good and good follow you. That's why I go continue blood clot help people. I go continue. Me nah be bad, you know. Me nah go be bad. Me go be always be good, you know. Cause me no want suffer, you know. So me I go always be good, you know. Do good and good follow you. You do bad and bad, I go follow blood clot you. Oh. This big stinking dirty blood clot, big old dirty, this dirty blood clot girl. No. Nobody can recharge. From TikTok get banned. Some people can recharge, but from, you see me tell you. Tiki, your mama too ugly for suck. Your mother not sucking appealing. Tiki, your mother not sucking appealing. Your mother a rubbish sheep. Your mama is a big stinking tumble tub go sleep and drain hot water. Your mama afraid to go home. Your mama that she afraid for blood clot go home. So your mama build blood clot. Oh, your mama build house. A Jamaica you go to a yard and foreign broke. Oh, your mama build house a Jamaica you go foreign blood clot broke. How much boy you mind in your community before you fly out? How much man you mind in your community before your blood clot fly out? How much man? How much man you mind in your community before your blood clot fly out? Why you come and call on my phone in the detention at them for beg $10,000 for you? Me sick? Think you can't bring me down because your boy will call on my phone for help. You a boy will call on my phone for blood clot help. And the reason why me not beat me remember you class me pretty them and bring me down. Me never did I go do it. Thinking me ain't a friend. Me just talk back to you and show you me not bitter. Me ain't no friend. I don't bad mind nobody that went through the tunnel. When me I go America, me want landing. Me don't walk in America with my passport. Me don't want walk in America with a piece of white paper and anchor bracelet for my blood clot foot. Me don't want walk America with anchor bracelets for my blood clot foot and a white paper. Talk facts, no dirty batty boy. So you can't use me. That is a protocol when you can't use people. Cause me never did I go do it. Shanta pass the card. When me want the $10,000 to go try embassy 44 bumble blood clot time.
Hey, let me tell you something, people. One thing with Rosealee now go slow down fear begging for nobody at all. And one person, me see she do it for. No, me see she do it for Cenat Chin ex-man already. But the person who me see she do it for, I think of the Lion Man. Yeah. And that make me know say yo, Rosealee love the youth there on a different level. You saw me I say big woman thing. Because some things when me see Rosealee do for him, me know say Rosealee genuinely love a youth there. So all me see them pan TikTok a cuss. Me just take it as entertainment. Not them alone still, but like everybody on TikTok when me see them a cuss, we just take it as entertainment. Even the one where him and Destiny just a cuss Rosealee a while ago. You know what I mean? Him and Rosealee was close. But Rosealee nah go slow down for you. If you go beg so much money for you, when Rosealee beg all of that the money there for you, when she a go beg for herself, people are going to say, me just give you the last one I have. Rosealee nah do that, so I'm wrong person in call pan. You understand me? But make you watch some more people. Because these people on TikTok, me are telling you, say, don't take them all that serious. Because me see people, I go hard for other people, you know, cause like you that say Rosealee against Destiny, and people are cuss Rosealee in the wickedest way for Destiny, or people are cuss Destiny in the wickedest way for Rosealee, and you don't know if they're my friend behind the scene. Make you watch some more people.
Can give you more than new bedroom set. Like a 1.5 million that could buy me a car. Me a idiot. Me a mascot. Me's a fool. Think me not love your son, you know? Think me not love your son. Tiki, murder beg 1.5 million and get you out my hole. Me not love your son. It's in the up room. I go catch it. I can't run down. As if I'm the commander, they come out of detention in the white something. They come out of detention and they pick something and you don't go take it off here. You know, say that be a perfect dirty batty man. Big and stick like Ali. Big, bitch like Ali. I talk about ambition. All the fuck me for got blood clot foreign. I sit up on the I argue with a girl with the still Jamaica. You reach a land of opportunity when you come here argue for. And you don't never like me back. You don't never like me buy from blood clot morning. I mean that carry your ticket. I mean that carry up. Any day when I look for you, nobody not look for you. The only reason why they Ivany beg for your cash, it's just because of that situation she do in one towards inner. The only blood clot reason. Yeah. The only blood clot reason. Ivany. The only reason that see you later the prayer burger. I'm not letting nobody later. Ivany big pain of what year, yeah. It's because she in the same similar blood clot position. I never know a blood clot. Tell your mind when I do not feel so good, boy. You're crazy. I know you're well ungrateful. I know you're ungrateful to the bottom of your heart to the vine. I know you well want to reach America but come hype on me and candy and class me. And have a whole bad night because we never beg for your needs and demands. We never beg back no money to back a nurse run pocket. And you nurse run did not go fuck not me nor my platform so I never go do it. Nurse run I go fuck not me or my platform so I never go do it. Are you nurse run did not go fuck me nor my platform so I never did no girl over never go send you a dollar. You stink like shit. Dirty, hungry, naked shelter boy. But you have papers in a blood clot for it. You walk around with a white piece of blood clot paper and the ankle bracelet and go like you have blood clot smarty. You can class me. You can blood clot class me. If you have blood clot, why the fuck you still call on my phone for? You're in a detention. Why you call on my blood clot phone? Nurse brought him a pedophile. Then you come and walk on speaky spokey. And you walk and take up dirty batty man for fuck you. Nurse brought him a nurse city. And you walk and take up dirty batty man for you. Cause I think you want dirty thinking, dirty batty man. With no class nor no morals. Compare to buy ya. When you go buy ya and get a little TikTok money, I'll be a call me and tell me say my buy. That's why when I tell me the friend to send him my money. I was to think I fucking his money but I'm not sending go give you. You're naked like glass bottle. You're up on blood clot you don't even beard. You reach a foreign you don't even beard yet. You don't even change your clothes yet. The same clothes come out of the blood clot and detention and the same clothes I have on. When man come from prison, took out the prison clothes and burn it. You still have the same crap. I suppose I want to come argue fire with y'all. When bad boy go to prison, come out of prison. In a prison clothes, them take it off. You in the same blood clot prison clothes somewhere and never take them, I can't take it off. I you not have no money, I want to come argue, get like you argue with me. You can't argue with me. You're dirty batty man, I'll cut you. You man, your father, your
Alright, my people. So, let me know what you think in the comment section. And me I telling you, my people, if him come out, when him come out, and they wish part him there, and have things over him head, and I keep up argument to the rosealee, we're quite alright, and what him did I look help from. You see me I say, you have to know, say boy, these people, where you used to look help from, maybe your journey not over yet, and you maybe are going to want help from these people again. So do not cuss these people cause you might have to run to them, although Rosalie never help him. We there when him ask you how much thousand. But who I go help you? Tell me who I go really help you get that amount of money when them still have to beg for themselves on TikTok. So make me know what you think, my people. We are going to watch some more.
Anybody on here, man?
Yeah. Alright, Judge. But I look good people. What is a family dog guy?
Yo, man, the camera flipping.
After me hide.
So show your face, no?
Me soon show my face, and time make me song go viral, me show my face. So people no go stream my song and make it go viral.
That means they will never show your face then?
No, when they book me for perform, me go up show my face. But I mean my song go viral.
That means...
I make a bad mind, I make a bad mind.
Bad mind for, Mayo? Bad mind for?
Tell me go bust. The bad mind, say me go bust.
Blamdem. Yo, Blamdem, right? Yo, Jay, you need to check your phone and I text you. Hold on. We'll tap them thing down the
Yes, you're eating no pass nothing down at Jamaica. You bag of eating you're going with a waste of time. You eat down the whole Jamaica. If somebody black you, that means you do something to get black. Nicki Minaj, thank you again. Big up yourself, woman. Together we are TikTok universe. Together we all.
Together we
yes, Batman right over there with Diamond. I don't want to over there so. So Diamond yo, Roger come like a Batman, bro. She man see you over there on the live, man want come over there. I go to the play. Dog man a Batman, you know that Jayden.
No man, our views insist to make you want to go over there.
And she say Nicki Minaj over here they give way. The man want come over here.
Yeah, our views. Them
yeah man. The man come like a Batman. That's why me hurry up cut from over there, bro. So as I like him and see me over there, man want suck your mother, Roger. Come like a Batman, bro. As I see me over here, you want come over here. I views the man I look after me, bro. Look how we see them alive right now. I make so much people watch Diamond. And see them now, it's like he carry over there if he can't turn power. Big batty boy, Roger.
So where man do you want this Diamond?
Roger me this. Me and Diamond good, but me this.
No, but I cause Diamond bring in Roger on the thing and see so. Me I wonder if I would have want this Diamond, you know?
No, Diamond good, bro. Remember saying, bro, we not watch nothing. Me tell you something with me. Me no watch something, bro. Me come here, me alright, bro. Me not suffer, bro. Me be honest with people now. Me alright. Me come here, me alright. Me not broke. So me not watch the hungry belly people here. But Roger is a boy with this, me smart. The boy thinking can style me. Look at boy is good enough. Where am I come over here for? Now come over here like a batty boy. I just see with the live over here you want, but the text on your man phone and call on your man phone. I want to go live with you, man. What I mean, people into enough bad man. As this, so we ain't going to come out there now.
But Roger cuss candy and down
eh?
But Roger cuss candy and down
My cuss candy, alright, make Kintan then. Fanny my cuss big up, alright, me never know. I show paper, make Kintan. But enough do paper, enough still. Fanny my cuss candy and down, me accept it. Paper, I choose my cuss candy and down. Oh, make Kintan then, I mean, this is make Kintan. Fanny my cuss candy and down, make Kintan.
Come on, chum soon deport you, no boy. Come on, chat, 25 rows.
After me not illegal. Oh, chump or deport me, I'm not illegal.
Give me 25 rows, sir. Give me 25 rows.
Level to the world. Everybody send a rose, people. Everybody send a rose.
Chef, yeah, sell out. 25 rows, shot. Come on. 5 more.
People, no shoot pan the triple. No shoot to me, people, because I want me rent to pay today. Please, people, shoot. That's why me come live so early. Remember, you know, people, me not normally come live at daytime. First, me come here live for an idea. You know, say I want a thing. So, no, please kindly shoot to me pan the triple.
Come on, chat. Shoot on the triple. Chat. Shoot on the triple. Come on, now, guys. Use the triple. Use the triple, chat. Use the triple. Use the chipper, use the chipper, use the chipper, use the chipper. Roger calling your name. Me no give a fuck about Roger. Come on, chat, come on, chat. Use it, use it, use it, use it, use it. Use the chipper, use the chipper. Shante. Where you get money from? Come on, come on. A true. Roger call me name and I say no.
Shoot pan the triple, shoot.
Guys, no shoot.
Shoot paper, no shoot one have.
Shadi, thank you.
No what
Thank you.
shoot. Thank you everybody, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you Barbie and Nicki Minaj, thank you. Pink, thank you, God bless.
Hey people, me I go tell you something but not tell nobody say me tell you. You know say there's a big conspiracy against King Donia on TikTok. I want them to know that. Me don't know about Candy still, but me sure this is my observation. I know nobody tell me nothing, You see me I say this is my observation. King Donia, there's a big conspiracy against him on TikTok. When it comes to Candy, yes, me feel like say Candy involved in the conspiracy. Not really involved against Donia, but because she and Donia are so close, she get dragged in the conspiracy. My opinion still, it don't have to be truth. You see what I say? So I that more tell you about you will go on now. Want to tell me if you think say a real thing me attack. You see what I say? So we could go and watch some more people.
Thank you.
Cap of them Jayden. Suck your mother.
Shoot paper, shoot.
That me fall off, yes.
People no do what you can do for me, please.
That me fall off.
The man can't diss me, bro. Me know me after me and them man in the same cabana. Boy, me don't know them boy from now, bro. Dog, them boy know say bad man, me don't chat with him. I'm a friend from him look about the bad man. But me a phone. People can comment, I'm a 10 boy I call up my name. You look at fish market, batty man, penny.
You can reach out on something there, can reach out on Google.
Them boy they ride the wave bad man and they take where you clout them and anything. Yo, me don't know what me got, bro. Me should have left Diamond making cost scan, Me should have give him now, look up. Aye, can see a Roger over there call up my name.
You want to go, buddy?
Nobody go do it. I don't know where that batty boy, I don't give no hype, bro. Them boy they fall off and want to come back. Who is Roger? Roger don't call me name bad man. You know when them man call me name bad man, some man the top call me name, bro. Cause when them a run it up, me ain't call any name. So when me a run it up, them a call me name. When no call me name, bro, cause when uno da run it up, me never da appear on my mind. So when me a run it up, uno call me name now. All I them a tell. Oh. Dog, any. So I not tell like say man a call me name, bro. Let me tell you some can't blind no people. When I say man a call me name 5 no. Watch out. When tap, let me your phone and look back up. Look up. When you tap tell like bad man, when you tap tell like funny youth, when you put me in a problem. Don't tap listen to me, cause no put me in a problem. Me go tap listen to no drunker. Wait. I no put me in a problem. You know say they go put me in a problem.
You put in a problem, my boy.
They won't put me in a problem.
Why are you that?
Juice blood clot me. Me never beg no caliber. I am a blood clot kitchen, my boss. You hear that? My boss in my kitchen and I'm a one fucking kitchen, yeah? I sing my one lyrics. So you see Nicki Minaj promise me and I come talk, but me never beg Nicki Minaj no blood clot collab. You hear that? She write it public when you come labad. Let me tell you something, me there listen to it, you know. I listen me just a woman that's in my own world, you know. I'm a humble. Humble calf suck the most milk. Now, me ask Kartel. So acknowledge me and him not pay me the blood clot mine. You know, I never ask Nicki, no, Miss Bling, because Nicki is a queen of rap, yeah? Calm down, queenie. I'm saying me a ball, and I get sensitive when me hear double tap. I'm telling me here, double time. Remember them trouble me in my split. You know I'm them provoke me, you know. I'm a skin of a bumble. I say go get them see that. Me get good outside. I'm a spling. I'm glad they bring up that topic here. A lot of people ask me about the collab. The star, them interview me. Because remember, it's not like she dare me. She said it publicly under her post, right? Calm down, Queenie, calm down.
Yeah, just calm down. Queenie wouldn't mean nothing of this way, this and or anything, but true.
No, other that, man, I cry. I'm speaking of you, I'm sad as song. I'm here, I'm here, double top a while ago. We get emotional. I never forgot you, I'm split. I never forgot you, lady. I chase him a cussy. Enough things were holding, enough things and me and trouble me, you know, because I'm a good character. But bunks them out. Now hearing you bring up this subject, it get me sensitive. You know why? When Nicky reached out to me, so a lot of people been giving me good feedback. And I ask me, when I have no answer, so I feel like one idiot as well. You understand me? Because me area say, well, I go say one of them secretive. I know nothing to do with no secret or public. She come and say, she go teach me for rap. So, in a good fairness, me just wait on my time, Miss Bling. You understand me? But you see me, from a young, and there's St. Thomas, me know say, me is just me, Miss Bling. And I'm a kitchen, my boss, and nobody boss me, so nobody can banter me. So me, yes, I'm done the blood clot old girl. Miss Bling, them text it probably wicked it up. Maybe telling you something, people, for Miss Bling live. It's enough I want to know, I miss it that blood clot trend. It's like how Miss Bling come over TikTok and set holy pattern and bust enough people. And me from years I run with camera and I put up a take picture and I do video and I run up and down like idiot. I mean, I do that for years. In a plane, me I do video. Everybody I do that now. All I want to do, been there, done that. So when me hear some girl when I appreciate real, true, authentic, strong, all woman like me, Miss Bling, I'm in the hospital and sick to blood clot, but still out there. I do it. But put in the hard work in Miss Bling. You hear that? So my point is, if Nicky reach out to me and say she gonna teach me for rap, me not say why. People must sit down and feel like me not deserve it. I fucking deserve it. And at the end of a good day, I did not ask Nicky for it. You understand me?
Queenie, the reason why is not a mix-up. Let me tell you why I bring it up. Right now, Nicky is very active on TikTok, and Nicky even do something with Blamdem. Don't cry. I don't want you to cry. I hope I'm not saying don't cry, Queenie.
Me not beg nobody know. Them leave me the fuck alone. I'm staying up before we lie. I'm gonna have a bed all day. Me don't have to take my sweat and lick it, Miss Bling. Understand me? And them abuse me so much fucking time like in the bed. You know where get me excited. I did not one day. No matter you see me, I give Nicky her props. Me now put my hand where my heart, put my hand to my hand, can I reach Miss Bling? So to the promise that she promised me I wait humble underneath the go and go treat till she reach out to me. But even though I'm there and wait, enough abuse me get Miss Bling. So when me hear her say it a while ago, me hear double tap, me get emotional and come and say, look, brother, I'm a...
So hold on, what cause all of this you know for Queenie a ball and them something there? Are the collab with Nicki Minaj and Blamdem? It not really no. So only nobody feel like say it real. Or maybe because I chose Blamdem go live with Nicki Minaj. Well, Queenie still with people. Me feel like Queenie love ball too much. I wonder why. If it's just natural for she or to maybe bring attention to her, that's why she do it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. You know what I mean? Because me always say at least look at things she bought. You know what I mean? And Rosealee did have that style there until Rosealee well off, you know. A long time I don't see Rosealee ball, because one of the time, you know, with people, the simplest thing you say to Rosealee, I want to come here, you know. Me not lie, you know. But you have to do what you have to do to make it in a life. And I feel like say Rosealee just play the game the right way and reach where she reach, so now she can be herself. Or maybe I want actually put on. Me don't know. Make me know what to think. I want some more.
I'm going to give one girl to defend myself, you know. I cry for any blood clot, I'm going to cry for drunk a blood clot, drawbreaks. Come drawbreaks and I'm a blood clot, bumper wall. Anybody me cry for my blood clot, who can't tell me who me a blood clot cry for, who me aim. I would take out my dirty blood clot problem, pound on a low blood clot, me, hear that, low me. Me have a house lock up and have a blood clot bed, you hear me? Me spling back to you, because I don't know why I get so fucking, calm down, Queen. Let me drink some water.
Yes, let's calm down. Let's calm down a little bit. Guys, we have a calm down. And nobody can say you flop. Nobody can say you flop because, let me tell you this. Let me play something for you. If you don't understand who is Queenie or who am Queenie. If you don't see me Queenie, my battery dead. Me just plug in the charger.
Yeah.
You understand? People, let me tell you this. This is a Queenie, in case you don't know.
Which is? Guess what? I have bigger info you know. Like, it's a Queenie, a breed for do me. Girl, Queenie.
I don't know. I have to wait for she. Remember, say a patch script and get to know. Remember, I me call Calab, you know. Remember, she had the big artist, you know. Remember, she had the big rascal, super duper giant. So me can't tell her, say, Nikki come now, and she made the offer. So the way that she made the offer, me just there here through like the old man and I need the grandma tree as my grandmother said. Me don't know.
Me get a message this morning and them send me the song with the boy. I say, and all the queen do song with the boy and I style the queen style Queenie then. And I said no sir, but come to think of that, me need to go ask what the song there. So that's why me come out now and I say, okay guys, what happened to the song with Queenie and Nicki Minaj? We're still waiting for it because you know me can't wait to hear it, Queenie. Because I know say one reggae artist with a hip hop artist got the song that I go back.
Alright, we had a misbring. Somebody said the collab isn't real. Nicki was just doing some friendly banter. You should stop being the loot. Go tell blood clot Nicki that. Don't tell me. Go on over Nicki page. Go tell her says a friendly collab with her because you the daddy I hear and see the whole world see the whole world see it. As me say, my busting on my kitchen cause I'm a pussy. So at the end of a good day, what is mine is mine. And if she collab with me, she go collab with me. None of blood clot to know what type of say can't stop it. As me say, Miss Bling, means all man underneath the grango tree await. I cannot call Nicki and say to her, say, we ready now. More and did tomorrow. Remember me do a song for Nicki, you know. You want to feel like Nicki? Small waist, big breast, stiff titty. Me do my body, me no care if you with me. Bust myself, me no wait for no pity. Creep them a white now, me here in the city. Me have the KE, wife for me kitty. Wait, who want give me icky? I could have never end a quickie now. Point is, she's a queen, I am a queen, girl power. So regardless, you're the most established artist. We're two queens and I put in a lot of work in it. So if she write that and say she's gonna do something with me, I'm expecting it. But may I wait patiently, understand me, Miss Bling? So now she do song with Blamdem. I mean next then.
That's what I'm saying. So that's why me come out now because them been send me this, you know, Queenie. I mean I look because you know say me like the twelve, no? So me I say, why that song I go bad? So the person say, if me not see them I wonder if I style the queen style. I say no sir. She very active.
You feel so, Miss Bling? I want the blood clot.
I don't think so. But I'm saying she very active on it up now. So me I say maybe are you next?
Yeah, man.
To do our collab with, because Queenie we can't wait to hear you and the barbz.
Yeah, man. Everybody who I like me get good feedback on it, even though enough people. Everything you have good and bad.
And you know something, Queenie? You see, because it did come in at the star, it was public, it never private. That's why the people are weird. I know we alone over here. People when on talk took away wait to hear the collab because we know the collab they go bad. One reggae artist with one hip hop artist. What can go so?
Them members say Nikki a rich girl and Nikki she can't flop herself. She never come say shadow me son. Could never. Because members say me alive, me not dead, don't it? It's a common 2020, 30, but it's better not, darling. That's hope. May have patience, you know.
Okay.
So somebody types at 230 and 30. We can't even say it, but listen.
Don't pay them no mind if you follow these people.
Me like when them fuck with my dirty blood clot to take up my problem from them. I want to tell me, you know me, I'm a house line and you're quiet or bumble slide long. I'm a chill hours. I think. I think it's from here and say double tap. Me just ball out. As a blood clot, me glad me bally. 1 million ways to cry, the queen. Fuck that. Right now, Miss Bling, I go straight. Let me tell you something like a rascal. Me can't blood clot flap. Me every season, me all purpose. Me summer, winter, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Me can't blood clot still because my energy alone keep me alive. And me I wait for the collab with me and Nikki. It's like how Blamdem get collab. Blamdem an artist. So Nikki turn him in an artist. So it's like how Nikki turn him in an artist. Me were artist. I go get my one because this should bust in. So I'm not the right behind us at TGS TV. What? Miss Big, make a play.
That's what. Huh?
Make a play one match. Match can't play.
No, cause you come on my life.
Oh, a shame.
No, not shame. Listen to me. Everything is just out of goodness. No mix up, no pasta, but we have to say the things, you know, because I've been getting these messages, you know, but I don't look. You see this morning?
Yeah.
Me have to say, no, I don't think Nicki Minaj style Queenie.
No, sir.
I think they're cooking up something because remember them are two ladies and that's how the music world go. Like
no, Miss Bling. Remember, you know, Blamdem and the artist, you know, people have to understand that he give Nikki a vibes. So the vibes them give Nikki work with it at the moment. Me, you know, she have to take time for write the lyrics and do all of that. That's what I think. Blamdem is an entertaining somebody on the internet. You should say she need Nikki Blamdem. So just working for Blamdem at the moment because he might go out with himself. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, so in no doubt, me just sitting here wait patiently as me say already, and me still I go say it again. She offered it. So she could never take me for Macariti because she's Sagittarius like myself and she
and you want to show the people them say it's not styling because it came into the star, it was publicly said. So if Nikki I go back out now, I believe Nikki would have click live and speak about it. You understand? Because she's a celebrity, she's professional. So me can't think say a styling. Not because she do something with Blamdem. I think Mama.
Oh, so I blame them link up cause all of this. I blame collaboration with a real cause all of this AI them use and Nicki Minaj cause me the thing say Nicki Minaj depend the song for real until Nicki Minaj just say, you know what I mean, you do this and whatever and then Nicki Minaj depend the song is a AI and people come to think of it, Nicki Minaj nah go do no song with anybody. Maybe for Queenie Nicki Minaj will make she talk on a song where she a go do, but as far as singing collaboration wise, nah, me don't feel like that I go up. Me have to go see that happen if believe. Blamdem now, me the thing say the song real. But then me come think of it, you know what I say, no sir, Nicki Minaj have a like he might talk on it because Nicki Minaj is a brand. It's a big, huge brand. Hip-hop brand. You see me I say that no I know something to play with and she not gonna play with her career like that. You see me I say? Let me know what to think with people.
That's why I'm gonna say again, I repeat, Blamdem have a vibes with Nicki like at the moment. and through Candy, and I said Nicki Minaj like the mix up. That's where we said me would have to say, alright, since I have your blood clot, I said I like the mix up. So she just go do one time of Blamdem to show them, say, Blam, Nicki Blamdem, blah, 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 Blamdem.